Hi, my name's Albert and I'm the CEO and co-founder of UnderPinned. We're passionate about helping people build successful, thriving freelance businesses, turning their passion into business. No one's ever left education or full-time employment feeling confident about building a successful freelance business, yet hundreds of millions of people around the world are trying to. While most people in our market are competing for the sliver of value in established freelancers, we're empowering the next generation of freelancers through community, education, and technology. Freelancing doesn't need to be difficult, stressful, and lonely. And with UnderPinned, it isn't. Since we were on Crowdcube last year, our community has more than quadrupled in size to over 20,000 people. We've successfully launched our accelerator program, and we've established ourselves at the beating heart of the freelance economy. After a flying start in the UK fueled by a community that loves us, we're looking to launch in the US and Europe as many more people look to freelancing. The world of work was already changing, but COVID-19 took a trend and turned it into a revolution. Every freelancer wants to turn their passion into a thriving business. But starting out is like feeling around in the dark. The first 1 to 5 years of a freelance career, or what we call the fumble years, can be a confusing and difficult time. But with UnderPinned, it really doesn't need to be. When freelancers come out of our accelerator program, they feel confident and they have the tools to deliver on building a business around their craft that they can be proud of.
Hi, I'm Jack, UnderPinned's COO and co-founder. UnderPinned Solution is an accelerator program, which gives freelancers everything they need to start their business regardless of industry, introduces them to freelancers going through the same journey, and embeds them in our software so they can continue to expand their business with confidence. Once they graduate from the accelerator program, we convert them to subscribers so they can continue to grow and prosper with access to our software and community. It's that simple.
I'm really excited about the future of UnderPinned. From the time that I invested in Albert and UnderPinned, the world has changed dramatically. The COVID pandemic has made freelancing a much more acceptable and appealing way of working. UnderPinned has been working with government bodies and been doing a huge amount of testing to put itself in an ideal position and to be excellently placed to take advantage of the trends that we've seen coming out of the COVID pandemic. It's a really exciting time for a business which is able to help freelancers, not just those who were freelancers before the pandemic, but those who are actually now becoming freelancers for the first time.
Your investment will help fuel the next phase in UnderPinned's journey, helping us scale our team and marketing while we establish ourselves in the US and European markets, which combined are over 10 times bigger than that of the UK's.
We're on a mission to help millions of freelancers turn their passion into thriving businesses.
So join us in kickstarting the future of work by empowering the next generation of freelancers.